Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a good week so far. And welcome to this new video on Jasmy. Wanted to do a full update here. Some people in the comments of my last video were like, well, why are you still covering Jasmy? It's a dead coin. It's not doing anything, etc. And I kind of agree with that on the short term. I mean, short term, Jasmy has been bearish essentially since the 30th of July. We had some brief bullish momentum, obviously, in that week of the 21st until the 24th of August, or at least that later part of the week. But apart from that, we've been bearish, and on the higher time frames, we've been bearish at that entire point of time. So at this moment, sure, there's not much to report on Jasmy, but Jasmy has a very solid and big community. All right, so for those who are interested in Jasmy, that's why I'm updating it. And that's why we'll do a full update again in this video, talking about the bullish opportunities, like is there some sort of a buy opportunity here, but also what to expect, what to prepare for, what's most likely. So that's what we'll do for those of you who are interested in that. And if you're not, then don't watch the video. But we'll talk about some interesting trade setups, I would say. And just in general, I think there's value in this video, but that's up to you. So for now, let's talk about Jasmy. There's no real new fundamentals we need to be talking about. A couple of updates ago, we looked at the roadmap and some potential catalysts towards the end of this year, quarter 4, quarter 3. Those are all still possible, but there's no indication of anything really happening in terms of the price. With those fundamentals, all right? At some point of time, there will probably be some sort of a major development that will be pumped up, as we've also seen at the first half of this year. Happened quite often. But for now, Jasmy is just bearish, all right? That's just the truth out there, I would say, all right? If you look at the trend, let's say then from the 24th of August, we've been in a downtrend, and we've been consistently making lower highs and lower lows. Like that's the simplest definition of a downtrend. And then I do think there's some interesting things here, but the truth is that this has been in line with what Bitcoin is doing. Jasmy is basically just following Bitcoin here, and I'm not sure if we can if we have a Jasmy Bitcoin chart. Yeah, on Bitfinex, this chart is here you can see. So since the 25th of August, Jasmy against Bitcoin has also been relatively weak. And until we see some strong momentum coming from Jasmy or from the markets, this will be the case. This will be what's going to be happening. And that's also at this moment. Yesterday we saw some interesting things, and I do want to spend some time talking about that. But that is the reason why I do think we are bearish still at this point of time. There's frankly no reason why we should expect bullish momentum. I do think we're nearing a major support level. As you can see, this level right here, that we're very close to, this big green area between 1.75 cents ultimately and all the way down to 1.55 cents here at the bottom. That's a major support, and for now I do expect that level to hold. But that's not really saying much, because that means that we can still fall down about 15% here, and still I would expect that to hold. So what we're waiting for is that bullish momentum. All right, that bullish momentum is not here. Do I expect it from this bigger support level here? Yes, but we still need to wait for that momentum to kick in and for us to actually get a strong move. If we keep respecting the bearish technicals like we did yesterday, we will remain bearish, right? So that's what I expect. In general, I would say something like this is what I expect. Just find support at those levels. Get those bounces in between, but ultimately drop down until you see that momentum. And I don't think we'll drop down below 1.55 cents, at least not for now. Now, I do want to spend some time talking about yesterday, because yesterday, when we did have some momentum coming in the markets, Jasmy was one of the cryptos that actually bounced the most. All right, so I thought that was quite interesting. No, that's not what you see right there. That's what you see. Also not right here. No, yesterday here we bounced. So we got a very big buy order coming in yesterday afternoon. I thought that was interesting, but again, if we actually wanted to be bullish, we needed to break above 1.9 cents, right? So that was interesting, and if we actually can have something like that, but then more sustainable, then that's a buy opportunity. But for now, as long as we're below 1.9 cents, we will remain bearish. Break above that with momentum could be interesting. But then I will surely update you on that as well on my Twitter page, on my X page. So make sure to follow that if you're interested in that. But for now, that's it. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.